Hello, teacher.
Hello, Tom.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, how are you today, Tom?
I'm fine.
Okay. Did you go out today?
What?
Did you go out today?
Yes, I go
Okay.
to eat. I went to eat.
Oh, you went to eat, correct. Nice one. Are you still there?
What?
Are you still there? Are you at home now? Are you at home now?
What?
Are you at home now? Are you at home?
Um, I don't hear you.
Okay. Are you at home? Are you at home now?
No.
Okay, okay, you're still out. That's great. So who did you go out with? Who did you go out with?
I I go out with my mom, my family.
No, that's wrong. Go wrong. Go is wrong. So you say I went out.
I went out with my mother.
Good. Okay. All right, you're welcome to the lesson, Tom. So today we're going to continue with this topic. Read a book or watch a movie. Okay? So I'm going to read the supporting opinion again, then you read the opposing opinion. Can you hear me, Tom?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Books are better than watch. Supporting
Books.
opinion. Books are better than movies because we can read them anywhere. If we want to read a book, that is the only thing that we need. When we watch a movie, we need a television, a cell phone, or computer. These machines need electricity to work. Therefore, when there is no power or the battery is dead, it's not possible to watch a movie. In addition, books are sometimes dropped or get wet, but they can still be used. Cell phones that are dropped usually break and stop working. Did you hear that?
Yes.
So this opinion is supporting that we should read book instead of watching a movie. And the first point is saying that we can read book anywhere. We should read books are better than movies because we can read books anywhere. We can read anywhere. And if we want to read a book, the only thing that we need is just the book. But if is movie, you need television, you need cell phone, you need computer to watch movie, and those things works with electricity. Okay, so this is the first point. Then the second one is books are sometimes dropped or get wet, but they can still be used. So when books are dropped, maybe somewhere you can find it and read, you can see books or you can see poster and read them. But if you want to watch a movie, you need a cell phone. And when the cell phone is broken or is spoiled, you can watch a movie. So these are the 2 points. Then um I'm going to add my own opinion to support this. Hello, Tom, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so now outside this, I'm going to add my own opinion, my own idea to support this. So I'm here to support that, yes, we should read a book instead of watching a movie because books help us to um, develop new vocabularies, also increase our imagination, and helps us to know more about so many words unlike movies. So this is my point, and I'm using it to support this opinion. So what I want you to do, Tom, is read this opposing opinion. Read the opposing opinion, then tell me the main idea opposing the opinion. So can you read? Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Watching a movie is better than reading a book. This is because it is much more exciting. One reason is special effects. We- When we watch a movie, we can feel that we are in a story or even in another world because of the amazing computer graphics. This is much better than a boring book that is very long. It has no pictures and sometimes smells strange. For
Strange. Strange.
strange, strange,
Strange.
strange, for the
Strange.
strange.
Okay.
Furthermore, furthermore, we can watch a movie with our friends and have fun, but we need to read book along, which is boring.
Okay. Nice one. All right. So, can you tell me okay, let's write this word down. What is the meaning of boring? What is the meaning of boring? What is the meaning of boring? Tom?
This boring book.
For example, if you hear that, oh, the movie is boring, the book is boring, what does it mean?
Um, I don't hear you because um my brain is so noisy.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me write so you can understand better. When you hear the word boring, Hello, Tom.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so read this so you can understand what I'm saying. Boring, it means when you hear the word boring, it means not excited, something that is not exciting, something that is, oh, sorry, something that is not exciting, something that doesn't make you happy. For example, when you're reading a book, can you hear me, Tom?
Yes.
Okay. For example, when you're reading a book, some people feel that it's boring because there is no pictures on the book, there is no graphics. They just have to read the words. So some people feel it's boring. Some people thinks books are boring. But when you're watching a book, you see some pictures, you see people moving, and that makes you exciting. That makes it fun. Okay,
Okay.
good. Then let's look at this word strange. Strange. When something new happen or something that has not happened before, when it happens, that is a strange thing. Okay? For example, if you're
Okay.
watching a movie, you can see a dinosaur doing some certain things that you haven't seen before. You call it strange. Okay?
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, so let's move forward. Okay, so I want you to point out the main idea opposing this opinion. Point out the main idea here that is opposing. Saying no, we should watch movie instead of reading a book. Hello, Tom, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand the question? Did you understand what I asked you to do?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me the main idea that is opposing the opinion?
Um, boring is not boring. It's not excited.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
stage is sometimes um, I forgot.
Okay, strange is something new, but that is not what we are talking about now, okay? I think you get the question wrong. Strange is something new when something that has not happened before happened. So, what I'm trying to say is listen carefully, okay? So you can understand. So, watching a movie is better than reading a book. This is because it is much more exciting. One reason is special effects. Okay, so this is the main idea now supporting this because it's more exciting, and one of the reason is that is because of the special effect. When you watch a movie, we can feel that we are in the story, or even in another word. So this is the main idea supporting that we should watch a movie instead of reading a book. Hello,
Hello.
do you understand? This is the first idea saying that, oh, yes, we should watch a movie instead of reading a book. First, because it is more exciting. It is more exciting. And one of the reason is the special effect. And when we watch a movie, we feel that we are in the story. Okay? So let me point out the second opinion, the second idea supporting this. We can watch a movie with our friends. Hello,
Hello.
can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So another idea opposing this is, furthermore, we can watch a movie with our friends. You know, when we are watching a movie, we watch with people, we watch our family and friends. But when we are reading a book, we only read alone. So this says that we watch movies with friends, which is fun, but when you're reading a book, you have to be alone and it's boring. So these are the 2 points supporting this. So these are the 2 points opposing this. Hello?
Hello.
Good. So let's flash back again. Let's check if you understand.
Um, this is bit boring. It's not excited. Be, because it is much. Because this is because it is much more exciting.
Good.
One 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 reason special effects.
That's
When we
correct.
when we watch a movie, we can feel that we are in the story or even in other work because of the amazing computer graphics.
Good. Nice one. Okay, so point out the second idea opposing. Point out the second one.
Um, next one is furthermore. Furthermore, we can watch a movie with our friends and have fun.
And
But we need to read a book alone, which is boring.
good. Nice one, Tom. Okay, so now tell me, can you give an example to oppose the opinion? In your own understanding, what can you use to oppose the opinion, saying that, oh, we should watch a movie instead of reading a book? Tom,
What?
I want you to give me an example to to oppose the opinion. In your own understanding, think about an example that you can use to oppose the opinion. Do you understand what I asked you to do? Tom,
What?
did you understand the question? Did you understand what I asked you to do?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, are you thinking about the point?
This is because it is much more exciting. One reason is special effects. When we watch a movie, we can feel.
Hold on, hold on. Okay, outside this point, this is point one, and this is point two. Let's write it. This is point one, and
One
this is point two.
or two.
Good. So I want you to give me point three. The third point, think about it. Think about it, what you can use to oppose the opinion. Give me the third point.
Three by eight. We are is the we are in the story or even in another world because of the amazing computer graphics.
This is the point one. This is point one, then point two.
Well,
Outside this point one and the second point, can you think? Okay, let me give you an example. For example, I can say now, let me give you the third point. Listen carefully, okay? We should watch a movie instead of reading a book because Students are always tired and they read book in school. When they come back, they need to relax and have some fun. Did you hear that, Tom? So this
What?
is the third point I'm using to oppose the opinion. Did you hear what I said?
This this is because it it is much more exciting. One reason
Now, hold on, let me write it. The third point. We
we
Can you stop writing, Tom, please? Can you stop writing? Tom, please stop writing. Stop writing, okay? So wait.
we
Tom, please stop writing. Stop writing, please. Please stop writing, okay?
yes.
Okay. Turn the kit. What is this? Inch. Watch movie. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
All right, so let's read the third point. We should watch a movie instead of reading a book because students read books all day at school and get tired. So when they get home, they need to relax and watch movie. So I want you to read this third point. Tom, read the third
What?
point. Read the third
We
point.
we should watch a movie in,
Instead.
instead. We should watch a movie instead of reading a book because students read book all day at school and get tired. So when they get home, they need to relax and watch movie.
Good. So this is the third point. I think about it and I wrote it down. So this is what I wanted you to do. I wanted you to think about the third point, what you can use to oppose the opinion. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, so can you give me another point? Let's look for fourth point. Can you give me fourth point? Give me fourth point.
Um, I understand, but I don't have an idea.
Okay, you don't have an idea. Okay, so with these 3 points, you can remember this first point, the second point, and the third point, right? Can you remember them? Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Good. Can you remember the first point, the second point, and the third point?
The first point is this is because it is much more exciting. Mm,
Good.
Much
Then
more
this,
exciting. One reason is special effects. When we watch a movie, we can feel that we are in the story or even in another world because of the amazing computer graphics.
good. Then the second
Still,
one.
second one is this stage of furthermore,
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 for, for, furthermore, we can watch a movie with our friends and have fun. But we need to read a book along, which is boring. Three is we should watch movie instead of reading a book because students read book all day at school and get tired. So when they get home, they need to relax and watch movie.
nice one. Okay, so let's look at this word furthermore. When you say furthermore or hear furthermore, it means in addition. For example, let's say we are debating or you are saying your point. You said the first point. Then if you want to continue with the second point, you can say furthermore or in addition. So furthermore means the same just like in addition. That is to add your points or to say more points. Okay?
Okay.
Good. All right. Okay, so let's answer this question. Question one, studying all day, sorry, after studying all day, do you prefer to read a book or watch a movie? After
I
studying all
prefer
day.
I prefer to watch a movie
Why? Why do you prefer to watch a movie?
because at school I study many subjects. I was so tired.
Okay.
Watching is help me relax the tired.
Nice one. Okay. So, do you think watching movies stops us from using our imagination? Tom,
What?
do you think watching movies stops us from using our imagination?
I don't know the means.
The meaning of imagination, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you explain?
Yes, I will explain to you. Imagination is when you are thinking about something in your mind. For example, you are reading a book of let's say you are reading a story and you are thinking about how the story is. You are now thinking about the picture, what is going on in the story in your head. That is imagination. When you're using your imagination, you are, oh, hold on. What is going on? Okay, sorry. So when you are using your imagination, you are picturing what is happening. You're thinking using your mind to picture or think about something that is not existing. Something that is not existing, you're thinking about it, picturing how it looks like. Just for example, let's assume we are reading a story of a dinosaur. When we are reading the story, we think about, oh, how does a dinosaur look like? You think about it. Maybe there is a mountain, the dinosaur is climbing the mountain. You think about it in your head. How does this mountain look like? That is imagination. Tom,
What?
do you understand what I just explained?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so answer the question. Do you think watching movies stop us from using our imagination?
I think yes.
Okay, why did you say so?
Because watching TV is regards my uh, the brain.
Because what?
Because watching movie is uh, relax the brain.
Okay,
So it stops us from using our ima- ima-
imagination.
imagination.
Good, that's correct. When you're watching a movie, you're already seeing the picture, seeing the movements, seeing all the things you need to. But when you're reading a book, you are not seeing a picture. So you would be using your imagination to picture what is going on or to think about it. So when you're watching a movie, you wouldn't use your imagination. You would just see what is going on. You wouldn't think. Okay, that's great. So we are going to stop the lesson here. In our next class next Sunday, we continue from here. Okay? Do you have any question, Tom?
No.
All right. It's so good to see you today. See you next Sunday.
Goodbye,
Bye-bye.
teacher.
All right.